Elijah Behnke. Elijah Behnke, born February 15, 1983, is an American small business owner and Republican politician. He is a member of the Wisconsin State Assembly, having won an April 2021 special election in the 89th Assembly District. Biography. Behnke was born in Oconto Falls, Wisconsin, and raised on his parents' nearby farm. He worked on the farm through his childhood and graduated from Oconto High School in 2001. He went on to attend Bible College in Northeast Georgia. In 2006, he returned to Wisconsin and started working for his mother's cleaning business. After a year, he started his own cleaning business, Echelon Cleaning LLC. In addition to his cleaning business, Behnke operates a hobby farm and is a ministry leader in his church. In December 2020, just after the 2020 election, State Representative John Nigrin announced he would resign from office. Within days, Behnke announced his candidacy for the Republican nomination to succeed Nigrin in the Assembly. In his campaign, Behnke stated that one of his motivations in running for office was to seek relief for small business owners like himself who had been harmed by the COVID-19 pandemic and the resultant public safety measures. In the Republican primary, Behnke was endorsed by neighboring state Senator Andre Jack and Oconto County Sheriff Todd Scarbin, as well as other state Republican interest groups such as Wisconsin Family Action, Pro-Life Wisconsin, and Wisconsin Right to Life. Behnke topped the five-person Republican primary field with nearly 45% of the vote. He went on to defeat Democrat Carl Jaeger in the April special election. Electoral history. Wisconsin Assembly 2021.